Hey everybody, so here's a quick rundown on how to add emotes to your channel. If you're an affiliate or a partner, you should be able to add custom emotes that people can get access to when they subscribe. So from Twitch, click your name at the top right, go to Dashboard. Once you're in there, under Settings, click Affiliate/Partner, and then look for the emotes. Click that, and then this will show any emotes that you have active. Additional emotes are down here for $9.99 and $24.99 subs, because you can only put one for each of those. And then here's where you actually upload emotes. Now it shows you which size needs to be uploaded in which spot, the 28 pixel, 56 pixel, and 112 pixel version. So I'm going to click the 112, find my emote. Let's see, it's somewhere here. Let's go to speed chess and emotes. And let's grab Andreasen here. Okay, the 112 version there, the 56 version there, and the 28 version there. Now we've got to get it a name that will go after your streamer prefix. So I'm just gonna call this Andy for right now. It doesn't have to be all caps. You can do it like that. And I'm gonna click Submit Changes. And it says emote was successfully uploaded, and there it is, previewed. Now you'll have to wait for a while for those to be approved. Affiliates, it actually takes a decent amount of days for them to email you back and tell you if it's been approved or rejected. Partners, actually, depending on your status, whether you're very active, it can sometimes only take about 10 to 15 minutes to become live on your channel. Now if you want to delete an emote, that's easy too. Click Edit up here next to the previews, check the box next to the emote that you would like to delete, and then click the delete button, and that is it. In your channel, if people want to post your emotes, they just click the little happy face in the chat box, click the emote they want to post, and then click Enter, and there you go. That's it. Have fun.